because he is in love with Krishna. Just like you have your beloved child, although he is out of sight, you can see him in his shoe, in his cloth, in his toys. Oh, it is my child. That requires praying. Similarly, if you have knowledge, theoretical knowledge even, that everything is Krishna's energy, and if you have love for Krishna, with reference to the context, whatever you see Krishna. That is Krishna consciousness. Perfection of Krishna consciousness. You cannot see anywhere where there is no Krishna. This is for the devotee. For the ordinary person, these are the descriptions. That the Surya, the sun is also Krishna, the fire is also Krishna, the sky is also Krishna, the air is also Krishna, the moon is also Krishna, the evening is Krishna, daytime is Krishna. Then how we can avoid Krishna? Krishna says that I am matta smriti jnanam apohanancha. Krishna is everywhere. You cannot avoid Krishna.
Thank you very much.